All right, these are liters to moles and moles to liters conversions. Okay, so, or we would say volume to moles, moles to volume. What do we measure volume in? Liters. Okay, STP, what does that stand for? You're going to see this a lot coming up. Standard temperature and pressure, that's what that stands for. So at standard temperature and pressure, 1 mole of any substance equals 22.4 liters of that substance. So as long as we are at standard temperature and pressure, okay, standard temperature is 273 Kelvin at 1 atm of pressure. And we're going to talk about these later on in the 5th, 6 weeks. But just know, if we don't have standard temperature and pressure, this is no longer true. Okay, but for our purposes right here, 22.4 liters equals 1 mole of that substance. Okay, so that's what we're going to do to make those conversions. All right, let's see. How many liters are in 2 moles of lithium chloride? So what goes in my start box? 2 moles of lithium chloride. How am I going to get that to cancel out? Well, I need moles on the bottom, liters on the top. And that's what I've got. Moles to liters, liters on the top, moles on the bottom. What do I not need to solve these? I do not need molar mass. Notice we only need molar mass when we're going to grams to moles or moles to grams. I don't need molar mass to find particles to moles or moles to particles. I only need it here. So don't need that. Even though it says I have 2 moles of lithium chloride, do not calculate molar mass here. So again, it's the same process we've been doing. Multiply across the top, divide by the bottom. Moles cancel out, and I'm left with liters of lithium chloride. Okay? Because 2 times 22.4 is 44.8, divided by 1 is still 44.8 liters. All right, and there's only 2 of these. You're going to do that same thing right here. Then as we go down here, we're going to flip that equation around. Let's look at this example. We're going from, what, liters. This time I know I have 44.8 liters of lithium chloride. And I want to know how many moles. So what goes in my start box? 44.8 liters. So if I'm going from liters to moles, it says I put 1 mole of the substance on top, 22.4 liters on the bottom, which is what we have here. And again, I'm going to do the same process. Multiply across the top, divide by the bottom. So 44.8 times 1 is 44.8 divided by 22.4 equals 2 moles. So I'm going to do that same thing here. Set up your train tracks. Solve just like this. These are the easiest ones to solve for. Liters to moles and moles to liters. Again, you do not need molar mass to solve. Let me know if you have any questions.